So where were you during the show?
I was in the second row.
Yeah, next to him. There.
We were just, yeah.
Next question,
The two tallest people in the second row that everybody hated. But we kept fighting.
With each other?
No,
Oh, yeah?
not yet.
Who did you fight with?
A bunch of
Fucking Greeks. No.
So
No fighting,
some
not fucking.
Greek warriors.
I'm a geek, so Greek.
Greek.
So
Some Greeks. Well, unfortunately, yeah, they turned out to be Greek, but they were really, really annoying.
So if you had to choose one nationality to fight with, you said it was unfortunate that they were Greek. What nationality would you have liked them to be?
You don't want to ask. You don't want to ask me this question. Remember, I'm Polish, and we are in Germany, so you don't want to ask this question.
So it's not really up to you.
Didn't you guys sign a mutual non-aggression pact at one point?
Theoretically, yes.
So for the show, if you had to choose one song as a favorite, what song would that be
For this show,
for this show?
Jamie will
Hell
use
to
that
England?
pretty well.
Only one. Hell to England.
Many people have said that.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
the next question, of course, is what part of your body hurts the most?
Yesterday she
I won't
made
be
me very
original. My
proud.
feet. My feet are killing me.
Do you have those stupid boots on, or did he wear sensible
I left my
shoes?
pretty shoes, my cool shoes upstairs, and wore something comfortable.
You're a very smart girl. He's not a very smart girl. He wore, and if there was anything that you could say to the House of Death folks
The
who
House
are
of
not
Death?
here, what would you say?
That was
outside.
one of the best days in my life, and I'm truly moved. And at some point, when Joey was talking about the fans, I felt really, really moved inside, and I'm still, it's one of the best days in my life, really.
Elderberry.